The minute somebody tells me it's gonna make you cry, it's probably not gonna make me cry. And I cry. Watch you cry. That'd be awesome.
Promise I won't. Hey, welcome back to our Stupid Reactions, the Idiots. I'm Corbin. As with me as always is this idiot named Rick.
I'm getting ready for crying.
Okay, gotcha. Please follow us on Instagram and Twitter.
Be a digital stalker, won't you?
So today we'll be reacting to our very first ad from India.
Yeah, a lot of requests for this one.
A very requested one. It's called the Samsung India Service Most Watched Video of 2017.
With 200 million views, I guess.
Yeah, 207 million views.
Which is what we get on all our videos.
That's true. So it's about average. So I'm expecting that, thank you. So I don't know what to expect, but you're gonna cry.
Apparently.
That's what they say.
Is this 4 freaking minutes long?
It's a long ad.
That's not an ad, that's a short film.
हेलो
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित,
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल। बस आई नो।
लगता है चन्नू की भेड़ों ने फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा। अमित,
जी
आइए आइए। टीवी अंदर है। टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ अब ठीक है। चलो 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 जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, आराम से। अमित जी रिमोट।
जी
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन। और आज की पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी कही प्रेरणा।
तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा ढोलना, तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा ढोलना। हमारे हॉस्टल की है और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है। इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती है देश के कोने कोने तक।
Did you cry?
It's not flowing down the cheeks, but it's in the eyes.
Wow.
It's there.
Wow.
I'm misty.
Yeah, that was
That was really sweet.
that was very sweet. I didn't know where they were going at first.
And if Samsung in India doesn't do customer service like that, they're hypocrites.
Yeah. I don't know what their service is like.
Because don't you advertise that you're going to go to those kind of lengths for people
Yeah.
if you don't do it.
Yeah. One that was a really long ad.
Really, that's a short film.
Yeah.
That is a short film.
Like that must have cost a
But,
lot to put on TV.
Did you see could you predict the fact that the kids were coming down? Because I sensed that was going to happen when she started to ring the bell. I thought this is going to be a place that has a bunch of blind kids.
Yeah.
What I did not see coming was that the girl
Yeah.
that was on there was from the hostel.
Yeah, I was like, they must be watching something that they
Right, I thought that was it. Yeah.
I don't know if that's a real girl, or if this is like
Right.
a real story.
Right.
Like we're farmers, we've seen it all. So it's
Right.
like,
Yeah.
all these real kind of stories.
But that is better than any commercial that was in the Super Bowl.
Oh, 1,000%.
hands, 100. There was nothing that touches that.
Yeah.
That should have been a Super Bowl commercial.
yeah, that was awesome.
Why wasn't Samsung?
yeah.
Why didn't you make that a Super Bowl
Yeah,
commercial?
that would have played in the United States.
Absolutely, that would have played in the United States.
Yeah, I don't know.
It would have been a fantastic commercial for the United States. Subtitles and everything.
That would have costed a lot. It cost for 30-second ad. It cost like $5 million.
Yeah, I know. But it would have been the commercial everybody's talking about.
That's true. That's true.
Next year, Samsung.
Please let us know if there's other commercials or ads that we should react to. Y'all have requested a lot, so please let us know where the best ones are and that we should
Yeah,
react to.
that was a good one.
I didn't cry
He won't.
because I have
No feelings.
soul.
Nah, nothing in there at all.